Welcome. This episode we will be building part 6-07, this Valve Spindle Crosshead for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to be building part 6-07, the Valve Spindle Crosshead for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New. Now, this is my second attempt. I did have issue with the first attempt, which I'll include at the end of this video. Open up part MMGS. Let's go front plane, sketch. We want a circle. It's going to be done 25, diameter of 25. And we're going to go line down to there, cross and up. We delete that one. There we go. So these two should be vertical. Beautiful. And 2 points here will be horizontal. And let's put a center line in to about there to there. That's going to be how far across? It's going to be 8. So from this dimension, thank you. From the line to the center point will be 8 mil. And that's locked in. So trim, just trim these two edges off. Now, when, I'll get it trimmed. Now, there is a hole here. I'm not going to put the hole in because it causes issues later on, which you see at the end of the video when I show that. Let's go feature, extrude, and that extrudes out by 8 mil. Done. Beautiful. Now, if we go here, sketch, actually nope, let me go there, normal 2 first, sorry, then sketch. Then we want to go another circle, center, and lock it into there. That's now locked in. Yep, see it's locked in. But now we do our lines, but do them further in. So point, lock it in, and lock it in. There we go. Get rid of that line there. Delete. Thank you. These two are going to be vertical. And these 2 points will be horizontal. And let me do another center line. There we go. And that's going to be 3. So from there to there will be 3. So there should be 3 as well. It is. And there to, oh, sorry. That line to that line should be 5. It is. Let me just lock that in. And that should be 5. It is. And this should be 6. It is. Beautiful. I'll leave them there. Now, if we go to trim that one and that one. Oh, that one. There you go. Perfect. Now, if we go smart dimension. No, sorry. Feature. Extrude. And that's going to be extruded out by 17.5. Okay. There we go. Now, this is the way I might be able to fix what went wrong before. But I'll get this done first, then we'll have a look at that. Okay, that's there. So let's go this base here. We want to go normal, sketch, circle, smart dimension. That's going to be, what size is that? 6 mil. 6 mil. And that's going to be feature, extrude, cut. That's going to be up to surface, which is going to be this surface, and done. Because it would result in 0 thickness geometry. It's done that again. Right. Okay, let me... Ooh, I saved over the other one. Damn it, don't normally do that. Okay. So let me... Let me get out of that one. Let me delete the sketch. Let me delete this. Let me delete that one. Delete you. Let me go back to the sketch. Normal 2. And then we shall edit sketch. Go circle. Oop. Smart dimension, which was 6, I said? Yeah, 6. 6. Okay, done. There we go, got that back there. So let's now do the thread. I kind of wish I saved. Normally I don't save over it, but I did this time. Let's go to Hole Wizard. Oh, sorry, my bad. Hole Wizard, but thread. That should be 6 by 1.0. It is. So if we do, hold on, sorry, my bad. Plane, that one. And, oop, cancel that one. Plane, that one. Done. Okay, so let's go Hole Wizard, thread, 6.1 already. 6 by 1.0, I mean. Pick that circle. Come on. Pick that one there, and come on. That one there. And change that extrude. Okay. Me hide you. Hide both these planes. Go to normal. And sketch. Box. Click on that one. And click on that one. Oop. We want to go feature, extrude, cut through. Oh, no, not that one, sorry. Through all. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is on this one, I'm going to. Oh no, I feel like this one. I'm going to do a plane, but I'm going to do that. How far is that? 17.5. 17.5 away. Okay. Now on this plane, I'm going to create, actually, go to normal. On the plane, I'm going to do sketch. We do a circle, point, going to equal there. Bring that line down, across, back up again. Delete that line. Let's do a trim, just so I can just, there we go. Oh, this point, this line, join. Do these two lines parallel. This point and this point will be horizontal. Oh, there is. That point and this line will be joined. There we go. I think that's... I got them parallel, sorry. Horizontal. Oh, vertical, vertical. There we go. But why is that not... Oh, I got rid of the circle there, didn't I? Dang it. Okay, that's fine. Point from there to there to there. There we go. That's what happened. Say when it joined, when I cut it, it cut all that. Okay, dimension, which was these two will be 6. From outer side to there should be 5. It's locked in, beautiful. And there should be 5. It is beautiful. Okay, so now we want to extrude, but I'm going to extrude up to surface and done. That's so weird. Okay, let me just go out there for a minute. Let me get rid of the thread. Am I still in sketch? I'm in sketch still, okay. Let me get rid of that thread. Thread, thank you. Stop and repair. Okay. Let me get rid of that thread. There we go. And that should, errors. Okay, so let me go sketch. Smart dimension. No, sorry. Up to surface. Interesting. They won't allow me to do that. Why? It would be result 0 thickness geometry. Let me put that stop and repair. Put that thread back in. Put that one down. That is so weird. Okay, what I'm going to do, just to help fix that, I'm going to go up one level. So I get rid of that one. Actually go up another level, just get rid of that plane. I'm going to go this sketch, a normal 2, then sketch. I'm going to do a circle. It's a 3-point arc. From there, click there, to there, do another one, click there, to there, do a line from point there to point there, there to there. That should, close if it didn't finish it, and there you go. Now I'm going to feature extrude, but I want the other way. I'm going to extrude 0.1 millimeter. There you go. So that's covered that up. Now if I bring this down, now if I do sketch and extrude up to surface, there you go. You just hide that plane. So that was interesting. I'm still going to include the other one in there, just in case there's something in there that I did a little bit differently that you can learn from. So I'll still include the first example after this one. So yeah, it doesn't like it, so I had to do it that way. Okay, we're not quite finished yet. Still got another hole here. Let me go to normal, sketch, and that's going to be a hole of 6. Yep. Now at this point, the origin and the center circle will be horizontal. The circle is 6 millimeters. There's no thread in this one. And it's going to be 16 from the center circle from this side. 16. It's going to be feature, through cut, through all, and done. Done. Thank you. What? Hold on. Through all. Thank you. And done. Thank you. There you go. So that is that part done. Let me double check. That's hole in M8. Yep, that's good. 6, 16, 25. That is everything done. Alright, that is part 6-07, the Valve Spindle Crosshead. done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. I said after I finished saying here, I'll add that next one, that clip in where I had started it and of course had the same issue. I'm going to include that. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to build part 6-07, the Valve Spindle Crosshead for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Let's file new part MMGS. Okay, so we can go front plane, sketch. Going to do a circle. Nope, that's circle, thank you. Normal circle, not oblong. That's going to be a diameter of 25. Now we want a line down there, across and up. We delete that one there. These 2 points will be horizontal. These 2 lines are going to be parallel. And it's going to be, let's do a center line. It's going to be dimension from one to the other. It's going to be 8. That, oh, yeah, it's smart dimension thing. This point and this point will be joined. There we go. That locked it in. So now we want to go trim. Let me just take out that one and that one. There we go. Oh, yeah, trim. Just put that down there, just out of the way. Bring that down a bit, just make it look neater. There is a hole going through. 6 mil. It's going, okay, yeah. Let me do a hole in the middle. Hole in the middle, thank you. That's going to be 6 mil. 6 mil. There we go. Let's go feature extrude, and that's going to be extruded by 8 mil. Just going to keep us blind. Done. Right, I'm going to put the thread in first. So let me go to plane. Done. Actually, hold on, just realized something. If I go, I open that one back up. We got second reference. Oh, no. That's reference. Sorry, forget about that. If I do a second reference, it's going to do it differently. Ignore that. Sorry. I was thinking when you cutting that, you got second direction. But no, we've got to do these separately, which makes sense. And 10 mil and done. That was 8 mil hole, wasn't it? No, 6 mil. So let's go to wizard thread. It's going to be 6 mil, which is going to be not 60. 6 by 1. That's the only one we got. Okay. It's going to be that plane. And that plane. There we go. But it's going to be extrude and done. There we go. Hide that plane. Hide that plane. Go to normal. Go to sketch. And the square here. And again. Now, because I'm putting it right on that line there, it's taking nothing away from there. But I didn't put anything in the middle there. Let's go feature, through cut. Make sure it's more. It's going to be through all. Done. There we go. Okay, let's go this side. Doesn't matter which side you start on. Let's go sketch. Might normal to. And then sketch. There we go. And that's going to be Let me do another circle. Where's circle? That's going to be as high as there. Yep. So let's do. Oops. Come on. Thank you. That one and that one will be same. There you go. But we want a line down. Another line down. I'm not putting the one across. Didn't quite work last time. Well, it did, but didn't quite lock in. Okay, so they parallel. Oh, sorry, they vertical. Those 2 points will be horizontal. And the width of that will be 6. So if we do from there to there, that's got to be 6 mil. Now from here to this line should be 5 mil. It is. And this one should be 5 mil. It is. Perfect. Now we do trim that one, trim that one. There we go. Perfect. And extrude. That's going to be extruded by how much? 17.5. So extrude 17.5 and done. Oh, what happened? Done. I'm creating this video because it was all 0 thickness drum. What the heck? Something to do with that hole. Okay. Let me just cancel that one. Interesting. So maybe I should have done that hole first. I've done the thread afterwards. Let me just try something. Let me just delete that one. Delete that one just so you get me out of the way. Oh, wrong one. That one. Wrong one. That one. Thank you. Let me make that one. This is our curiosity. Extrude out 17.5. Yeah.